Hello everyone. Welcome to Database Management System Lab tutorial. This is Masiha Banu, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Science and Engineering at Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan. Lab program 7. So install an open source NoSQL database MongoDB and perform basic CRUD operations, which means the create, delete, read, update, and delete operations. Execute MongoDB basic queries using CRUD operations. So here the MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database. First, we have to install the MongoDB server. So go to Google and enter MongoDB server download. Then press enter. So it will show us some options. Here in that you have to select first one, that is MongoDB community server download. It will open and just scroll down and here you will get the download option. Just click on that and it will download. So I have in my system already, I have downloaded and the installation part is also done. So again, I'm not going to install it anywhere. So next, the MongoDB server, once it has been successfully installed, next you have to install MongoDB shell. And again, open Google Chrome and type Mongo shell and you will get it for the first option, that is MongoDB shell download. Again, scroll down and here you will get the download option. You can and change it here MSI, not a zip file. So just download. And this file I have already installed. You can see here the MongoDB shell. So once after the both are successfully installed in your system, so just go to C drive. So where the MongoDB server installed and open the program files. In that you can search here the MongoDB and here server. Just click on that server version, that is 8.0. In that bin folder, you just need to copy this path in the system environmental variables. So to that, go to copy that path and go to system environment variables. In start, just type edit to the system environment. So it will open pop-up window and here the environmental variables, click on that. And the next, the system variables, here the path will be there. Just double click on that. And here by adding new, you just paste it here. I have already paste. You can see here that is in C drive program files MongoDB server, that is the version 8.0 and bin folder. Once it is done, just click OK and then OK and OK. So next you have to open the command prompt. So cmd otherwise you can directly open it. So this is, I have already opened. So first, the same thing in the MySQL, what we have to do is we'll create the database. In the same thing in the NoSQL MongoDB, we have to create one database. I have here created the database called employee. So here to create the database, the commands will be changed. So to create database, use the command called db.employee. So this is the database name, that is db.database name and put semicolon. So it will give, that is test.employee, which means the database, our database here is the employee which has been successfully created. So next, so we have to perform some basic operations. So which means, so first we have created and need to install some values into that database. So to perform the CRUD operations, to insert the documents into the employee database, we can use the insert one or insert many methods. So you can see here by using the command db.database name is here employee and insert one, this is the command. So name, here Anu have given. So age is 30. So then put the semicolon and enter. So next, so if you want to insert many records into that particular database, you just type the command db.employee.insert many, which means you can insert many values into a database. So once put semicolon and follow the syntax properly. First you have to open brace and then in the many, while inserting the many records into that particular database. While after that open brace, you have to use the square brace and then flower bracket in that, and properly make sure that and properly the braces will be closed, and put the semicolon and enter it once it has been successfully inserted. So this is how you are going to use two commands. That is, the insert one will insert only one records into your database, and the insert many, it will use to insert many records into your database. So next, we have to see whether the inserted values are available in our database or not. So there is a command, use that one, that is db.employee.find. It will find all the records in your database. For example, we have here inserted first the single record, that is the name is Anu, employee name is Anu, second one is Banu, and then Sonu. So here the three records we have already inserted. So we can see that, you can see here the Anu, Banu, and Sonu, and their respective ages will be shown here. So next, update. So update any one of the values, inserted records, any one of values. If you want to update, you can update by using the command called db.employee.update1. Here also, if you want to update any single record in a database, you can use the update one. For example, I have taken here, the name is Anu and age is 35. So the previous Anu age is 30. So if you are going to updating, her age is 35. So it is once put the semicolon, the query will be okay. And next, it will shown the match count will be 1, the modified count will be 1, because we modified the single field. So again, same thing, if you want to update many rows of a particular database, which is existed in the employee database. So that is, you have to use db.employee.update many. You can update the many records in the database. So here I have updated the employee name is Banu, her age is 40, and next is Sonu, and her age is 45. Okay, so here I'm getting error here. Why? Because I will show you why it is. So here I have not properly closed the braces and then semicolon. So now you can see the updated values by using db.employee.find. So once it is successfully, the query is executed, you can see the updated values in the database called employee. So Anu's previous ages, you can see here. While inserting for the first time the records into the employee database, the Anu age is 30. And after that, we updated here. So that is 35. You can see here 35. So next, the Banu age is previously this 25. We updated into 40. And next, the Sonu age is previous is 32. After is 40. You can see here 35, 40, and 32. This is how the update operation will perform. So next, if you want to delete any particular records in the database called employee, you can use the command delete followed by database name. Sorry, here it is showing error. So you have to use db, not delete. If you want to delete any particular records, so db employee dot delete one. So which means deleting only one row. So db dot employee dot delete one. So name is equals to Anu. So it is done. So you can see the database, whether it has been deleted or not. So that is db.employee.find. So you can see the respective, the remaining, the rest of the two records will be only shown by using the command called db.employee.find. So Anu has been successfully deleted. The remaining two records are Banu and Sonu. You can see here. So this is how all the CRUD operations will perform on the MongoDB. Thank you.